Maritime transport is responsible for 3.7% of CO2 emissions in Europe. New regulations require the conversion of hundreds of thousands of boats in just a few years, worldwide. Green Boats Engineering, an English future boats company, offers retrofit kits. Simple, safe, secure. Powered with green hydrogen and fuel cells. At the same time, we are developing autonomous systems. With the world's first fully autonomous boat receiving international registration and global valid insurance, we are among the global leaders. Recognized by VIPs and politicians, the questioning was documented by several TV stations and broadcasted worldwide. Vice Chancellor Dr. Robert Habeck signed our demonstrator. In addition to the drives, we also develop complete systems for mobility. As well as cost-efficient and scalable logistics. Using scalable, high-precision robot mass production. To present all systems holistically, we are planning our own port at the largest digital test field in Germany, receiving several awards already. This is where the digital logistics of the future is being created. And we are already planning multimodal mobility hubs for megacities and urban areas.